In today's digital world, there is a lot of talk about using Instagram automation to make money without putting in much effort. Many videos related to this topic use AI tools to speed up content creation. But here is the twist. Most of them still rely on humans to guide the process. But what if we could let AI take the lead and create contents entirely on its own? That's what we are diving into in this video. I'm going to show you a cool method to generate motivational posts for Instagram using some AI tools like Chatgpt and dall-e. With this technique, you can generate 3,000 posts in just 24 hours without breaking a sweat. If that sounds intriguing, stick around, because I'm going to explain the whole process. We are going to use Chatgpt to come up with catchy captions for our posts. Then we'll use dall-e API to generate images. Finally, we combine these AI tools with an Instagram bot to upload our posts directly to Instagram. For getting started, you need a program from GitHub. You can find the link to it in the video description. Once you download it, unzip the file. Don't worry, we don't dive in complex coding here. I just walk you through the setup. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. For using this GitHub tool, you need to install something called Node.js. It's very easy, just download it from the official website and install it. For your convenience, the link is in the description. Now, open your command line tool. It can be cmd, PowerShell, or Terminal for Mac and Linux, and type npmi before hitting enter. Wait a bit as it installs necessary packages. Now, we need to configure settings in .env file. Put in your Instagram username and password, and decide how often you want the bot to post, and save changes. Are you ready to start? Type node index.js and then hit enter to start. Then open your Instagram account to see newly uploaded posts. This bot uploads a new post every 30 seconds, but you can adjust this delay time if you want. While I'm showing you this on a PC, you might want to use a VPS for non-stop posting. You can easily customize the bot's behavior by changing Chatgpt commands in index.js file. Thank you for watching. I'm all ears for your thoughts and questions, so share them in the comments. Also, if you found this video useful, show it some love by hitting that like button, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more cool stuff. See you in the next one.